Hi, everyone. It's Mari here for the Paper and Ink Boutique. I wanted to share an upcoming class that I'm going to be teaching on October 30th. This is a virtual class. The focus for this class is watercoloring on stamped images, and I'm going to be creating 3 cards. I'm going to be showing those to you now on the screen, but you can use any stamps that you have in your stash. You could use florals, you can use character cuties like I'm using here from All and Create. You could use any type of image that you'd like. And I'm going to be teaching you how you can add color to those images. So no matter what it is, you'll be able to watercolor it with ease by the time you're finished this class. And so you can use ink pads, re-inkers, watercolor pencils, water-based markers, powders, whatever you have in your stash that's could be used to watercolor with. And I'm really excited about this class. I think you'll find it very technique based, very informative. If you want to use what I've used in the class, it's all in the information on the website over at the Paper and Ink Boutique. Again, this is a totally virtual class, so you don't have to be in Calgary to take this class. It is online. If you want any more information about the class, please don't hesitate to reach out to me and ask. You can email me, you can message me on Facebook or Instagram. Please make sure that you check out the link in the description box below to the class information on the website. Thanks, friends. Hope to see you in class.